Here we go, doing a 5-box mixer break number 31 of Topps Chrome Champions League Soccer. 3 hobby boxes, 2 sapphires. Let me actually add a couple more things to this list. So Fati and forgot these didn't sync. Add row below. All Haalands in 3 hobby. That's Kyle. This vacuuming certainly doesn't help us right now here. And all Fati into Sapphire, that's Jameson. Alright, so in this break we got 4 hobby boxes. Haaland is Kyle, Fati is Jonathan, and for Sapphire, Haaland is Sen Yin, and Fati is Jameson. Good luck to you guys. Well, it depends on the card, Jason. I mean, if it's like, I don't know, it really depends on the card and how. Well, we're definitely not starting with Sapphire, we're starting with hobby. It depends on the like if it's Prism Mbappe at this point, even though it's as high as it is, prices are still seeing an, I guess you can't really call it a skyrocket. But I mean, they went up like 40% in a matter of a day last night. Yeah, I mean, it's obvious they'll drop. It's just how well they'll recover is the real question. First Sterling, go Kyle, already killing it. Yeah, I wish there was an app that you could multi-list, if you know what I mean. Anyone know of an app that does that? That would be so helpful. Or you don't have to create a listing, you can just change names, change price, change picture, and go. And just apply the same settings to everything else. Yeah, that's the thing, exactly. Before this year's Immaculate, because Immaculate, they printed a lot of Immaculate, but before Immaculate, all those products have very low production rates, production numbers, so it is especially good if you're holding any sealed boxes or cards from that stuff, I guess, too. Since people can't really pull that much stuff out of what's left. Felix Correa. Hey, nice Nuno. There you go, Benfica. Nice start. There you go, Jared. Speckle, Nuno. What's up, Brian? Oh, it doesn't? No, I'm not a fan of Co-MC or whatever people call it. Lewandowski Refractor. I'm not really a fan of it, listen. Though I know a couple of people like it. Just me personally. Not too big of a fan. Leon Bailey, Lamella, Speckle. Got our autograph. Nice. Donnie van de Beek. Decent start to the break for Ajax. Go Mark. I mean, pop. What, 100? On this stuff or Bundesliga? Wow. How about double Haaland in the same box? Of course, the moment when Kyle grabs him, they start hitting all of a sudden. Yeah, I can't really give suggestions on you guys what to do with your cards because I don't really sell. I hoard everything. I barely sell. Probably should start selling, huh? Kevin De Bruyne, blue circles. I have like 12 shoe boxes filled with cards. And it may not sound like a problem, but it really is. Jan Oblak blue. Oh, Bundesliga. Wow, that's actually more than I thought. And Bob dual, I guess we're sleeving all in Bob from now on. Kieran Trippier, purple. Nice. Messi blue. Wave to 75. It's not that I want anything, Ryan. I actually want to move some of my stuff. I'm just... First, I don't have time. Obviously, with everything that's going on. And two, even if I had time, I would probably not have the patience to list it all. I'm just way too lazy when it comes to that stuff. That's why I used to use Probstein a lot. Because I can just send them stuff and they do legit everything for me. And I pay pretty much eBay fees. And I get the exposure. Nuno is crushing it. A refractor and a speckle in the same box. I know, right? I hoard everything. I manipulate the entire market. Call me Gary V. I hoard. I tell you guys to buy something, and then I don't sell it because I'm too lazy to sell. So I keep on sitting on the stuff I tell you to buy. They're giving me ideas here. Yes, Jamie, I wanted to update personals like 5 days ago. I'm getting to it, trust me. I'll update them tonight so that we can break some personals tomorrow. Sale in the group, that's what I did, Jason. That's what I did a couple of months ago. Because that way I can just include it in your guys' packages and I don't have to go through the entire trouble of, you know, with new people. I can just sell it to the same guys that break with me and then less pain for me and you guys can just... Plus I don't have PayPal too, so that kind of ruins the ideas, the options of selling on Facebook. Again, unless you're paying on my site. So I'm kind of forced to hoard my stuff. You know what I mean? You guys are forcing me to hoard my stuff. Heard many complaints about Probstein? Well, the only complaints is that there's shill bidding. But with every auction house that is not on the auction house platform, like, you know, Golden and all those big auction houses, when the auction house is on eBay, it's so obvious that people will bid on their own stuff. I know, if you guys know DC814 Sports or something, I know they posted a couple days ago, I've seen it on the scammers page, a warning to like block certain members because they were shill bidding on their own stuff through their platform. And I mean, it's gonna happen when you do it on eBay. I mean, who's not tempted to do it? Oh, I did miss one? Ouch. I missed an Mbop. Yep, I did. $500 PSA 10. Actually, maybe I'm joking, but maybe it'll actually be the price soon. Well, we're gonna do another Chrome because we got 2 of these, and then we'll do Select. Yep. Two boxes. 2 Erlings. I mean, 2 boxes, 3 Erlings. Goodness. Well, you guys can just send it to us, Jason. I mean, if you send through Austin, it's pretty much effortless. Or send through, I don't know, there's so many people that are offering grading at this point. I know UK has a couple of graders. Ask Joe, he grades with a couple of guys in UK. Apparently they do a great job. I know Asia got Itchy, but I'm pretty sure he goes through Austin. And then I know, I legit know like 40 people, and I can give you the entire list of dealers that have dealer pricing for PSA. And they're also very trusted, so. Nice Timo, Speckle. Sell the mounts to me. Nice Tammy, Refractor. If you want all the mounts, you're gonna have to take the 2 shoe boxes I have dedicated all to him. It's like 8 shoe boxes are Pulisic, 2 mounts, and then 2 everything else. Nice. Felix Refractor Variation. Go Atletico. Go Joseph. Well, yeah, that's why you have to send it through dealers, through trusted places. But I mean, at the same time, if you're sending like a 10 grand card, then you better, I don't know, send it through a guy in the US than some UK guy. But I feel like a lot of places are getting a name for themselves at this point. Yeah, I mean, I didn't buy any from Topps, obviously. But I'm pretty sure I'll be able to grab some through Blowout. Nice, Leo Messi gold for Barca. Doing some work. There you go, Brad. Ah, wrong jersey number here. 7 of 50. Struck the Ronaldo jersey number. Ah, nice. Yeah, see, so Vietnamese get some love too now. We got our... Oh no, that's not who I thought it's gonna be. Ivan Rakitic autograph, that's nice. There you go, Barca again. Same team, crushing it. What's up, Daniel? Hey, talk of the devil and he shows up. What's up, Joe? I'll take the better of the 2 shoe boxes. Oh my god. Another hit for Barca. 3rd Messi. That's nuts. Got a gold, got a refractor, got a Rakitic, and got a Messi to 75 blue refractor. That's just 1.5 hobby box. Nuts. What's up, Brian? There's Trent. Is 650 tag cheap? It depends, because there's a lot of this stuff out right now. I mean, once it dries up in a couple months, maybe? Not right now. Alexandra Blue. Guys, what in the world is happening? What are these 2 boxes? That is outrageous. I file a complaint. I'm filing a complaint against Nordy. What is this? 2 boxes, 4 Erlings. Tyson, Higuain purple. Haris Seferovic carbon. Hugo Lloris. Not a single Fati though. Sorry, Jonathan. Getting wrecked with a Fati spot. Yep, 5K sure is planned for Saturday. Sure is. Well, I mean, I just gotta get those gems. Question is, will they gem? Alright, hobby has been pretty fun. 2 good autos, 4 Haalands, a bunch of Messis. And we still got 1 hobby box, but we're switching over to Sapphire. Sapphire, Sapphire. Come on. That Papa insert. Whatever it's called. Serge Gnabry and another Erling Haaland. But this time it's gonna go to Sen Yen because he's got the Sapphire Haaland. It's a Haaland type of break, guys. I guess it's a Haaland type of day. They played in what, 2 hours? Let's see if our energy here transfers onto the field tonight. EPL Prism, only 25 casers, JP. Request some F1 no, they won't sell any of that because it's super limited, Joe. Not really. Got a green Bitsy for Benfica and Milik. Oh, there's Kepa. Maybe our outlook on Kepa needs to change after his good performance a couple days ago to 75 Bitsy. Why not 50 casers? Find me 25 more cases, Joe. Pick your city. That's a great idea, though. Nice Van Dijk. Pizza. Pizza, pizza. Hakimi? Yeah, that's decent. Mr. Christian. Any goats? No one Bobs yet. Maybe we'll get to one soon here. Getting a bunch of Jasons and Felixes. The second Felix variation, this time Sapphire. Yeah, F1. I mean, all Dynasty products are just so sick looking. Koita, Vlacho Dimos, and Warner. Yeah, they'll drop. I mean, can someone do, Joe, can you do a math on Prism cases, please? How many they're made? And then compare that to how many Immaculate were made? Because Immaculate is certainly dropping for the sole reason of production. There are just so many cases of that stuff. Crazy, Trent. Or at least right now there are. I'm not saying they won't disappear in a couple of weeks, which they might. After me and Nordy do a couple more 5-casers. Final pack in box 1 of Sapphire. Nice, got an orange. I was just gonna say it's been a quiet box. There's Mr. The new Kepa. And your orange is Jan Oblak. Hey, the better goalie of them all. There you go, Joseph. It's a decent one there. Number 250. 9 of 50. No, yeah, because Prism has base cards. Like I said, base cards have actually a lot of weight on a product. A lot of weight. That we probably would not have been saying the same thing 2 years ago now. No, checklist is not out. It will be out probably on Monday. Come next Monday. Right? Where the hell is Fati? I feel terrible for Jonathan and Jameson here. But they do have him in both breaks, so we can definitely make it up to them. Oh no, I did not turn these over. NFL Prism did not drop? Oh wow. I mean, I was kind of worried about Immaculate not dropping. I was really worried that we'll only be able to do a couple breaks. Because I did say in the beginning that I was worried about getting more cases at good prices. And then all of a sudden everyone was so desperate to move that I couldn't get as many as I wanted. I mean, no, I could get more than I wanted, so... which kind of threw me off. But hey, better for us, because we can do bigger and cheaper breaks. No, yeah, they sure will. Just because it's Prism, they'll buy in 100%. I don't know, Harvey Elliott for... I would say go off match attacks, Chrome. So like Harvey Elliott, Curtis Jones for Liverpool, Billy Gilmore for Chelsea. I guess it's the biggest one. I don't know if they'll throw anyone else. They can throw that other guy that played for a couple of minutes, I guess, on the FA Cup day. Are they gonna throw Bukayo Saka? Do you guys think? Because he didn't have any... Saka didn't have any base besides, or any cards besides Immaculate, right? Or did he? Can't remember now. Saka shouldn't be? I feel like he will be. I don't know. Yeah, Wolves are no longer cheap. Nice Tammy. Tete. Courtois. Hradecki, Speckle. 1920 rookie ticket? Oh, that's right. He does have cards in Chronicles. I completely forgot about that. That's absolutely right. He-Chan Huang. I don't know. I still feel like they might shove him in there just because he doesn't have too many. We'll see though. Oh goodness, we got dunked. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, because Chronicles, impeccable. That's still not a lot of cards, because his cards in Chronicles are impossible to hit. Obviously, impeccable is impossible to hit, and obviously Immaculate is impossible to hit. So he doesn't really, you know, he doesn't have like base cards of any sort that are easy hittable. I guess that's the only reason why we might see him in Prism. That might be like his only, but I don't know. Rafa Silva blue, kind of running through this box without any good hits. Oh, there's an orange. Yeah, say that more. As soon as I say that, I get good hits. Rodrigo, good luck on the orange. Rooting for one team here. Oh, it's red. Nice. Trent Alexander-Arnold. How about last minute pickup for Liverpool and Mike? There you go. 22 of 25. A little Trent action. Last team to be sold. Gets a hit. Does City have any new guys that could be rookies? I don't think so, right? I mean, I just feel like Phil Foden might still sell even though it's his like third year. I don't think City has anyone new, right? Rookie for Donny? I don't think so. Or actually, did Panini have any Donny cards? Yeah, Greenwood and Chronicles, so I don't think they're gonna... Yeah, I mean, Greenwood and... First, Greenwood Prism might actually sell really well, so there's the reason to hype up Man U. Ferran Torres, but he was also in Chronicles, right? Baby Delap. Alright, final box of this break 31. Pretty good break, nothing too crazy. Not the craziest of breaks, especially when we look at the autos. Good luck, guys. Who's winning Champions League this year? I wanted to say Chelsea, but obviously that's biased and not gonna happen. I really want to see how Dortmund do today, but I don't feel like they have too big of a chance. Nice Ronaldo there. I don't know. I still feel like this guy got it. I still feel like they may do it. I don't know. Yeah, Bayern. I mean, Bayern, that's just an obvious one. They're still insane. They're not going anywhere. I don't know about City. I don't know. I don't feel it for City. Well, I never did. I always want City to do bad. As a Chelsea fan, we hate City. But if I had to hope for someone to win besides Chelsea, it would probably be PSG. Hey, there's Mbappe, finally. I mean, if this guy balls out and goes all the way this year, that will be nuts. Yeah, that's the same. Liverpool is the same thing as Chelsea. You want to say it, but you know they won't. I guess it's the same thing with Dortmund too. I just don't feel like Dortmund right now has the capabilities of winning the Champions League. Well, that puts Liverpool, Chelsea, and Dortmund aside. Oh, War, Pulisic variation. You never know. You never know. Oh, it started. The Keane. I remember when he moved. Where did he move first? He moved to Juve, right? Oh no, he scored a couple crazy goals at Juve and he moved to Everton. And then everyone went crazy for him. And then his terrible luck at Everton had his prices falling right back down to where they were initially. Now they're what, back up? I don't think they'll go out to Sevilla. I think they'll be able to handle Sevilla. I feel like they might go out in the next phase though. Wow. Guys, we went completely empty for Ansu Fati. That's ridiculous. I've never seen that before. I've never had a break where we haven't hit a single Fati. Nice Nuno. Nice Salah. And Gonzalo Higuain. Green Sapphire for Juve. $75. The problem with Dortmund that I have is that when I watched them play last year, but again, I mean, it was last year, so it was also weird. But Haaland seemed really off tune in the big games. At least in some of them. I know he showed up in the other some of them, in the other half of them. But like in good half, he was just like almost not there. That's like the one thing I do remember. So I'm kind of worried if he'll actually show up. Look on the gold. Gold Eric Lamela for Tottenham. Saw that blue. Thought we could get some Barca love, but no. To 99. Lamela. Sorry, Fati. Absolute shocker here. No, yeah. Sevilla is always known to punch right in the guts. When people expect it least. They're a really tactical team. Alright, recap for 31. Lamela, Higuain, Mbappe, Ronaldo, Donk, Oblak, Haaland, Rakitic, Tammy, Nuno, Messi to 75. Nuno, Messi, refractor. Got a Felix variation for Atletico. Donny van de Beek for Ajax, base. Leo Messi gold for Barcelona, 7 of 50. Got a Trent orange for Liverpool, 22 of 25, and an Erling Haaland sapphire for Haaland sapphire spot. There goes Sun Yen. All right, 31 in the books, bringing out 32.